I mean, it's really good with the smoke bomber. Yeah. So, hello guys, I'm back with another video. Avik told me to eat smoke because it's better than light. Nah, stop the cat, just kidding. I'm gonna eat smoke bomb. And shout out to Avik. He was begging me to eat this, so eating it. Alrighty. Let's see how good is this fruit. Alright. I have 0 mastery. I mean 1 mastery. Check this feet. Alright, that kind of looks so secret. That kind of looks nice. Alright. But the best part is smoke bomber, bro. You can't lie. The smoke bomber is OP. Try it out on some bandits. Yes, the one shot, right? You got a one shot. Alright, right. Oh yeah, 208 damage. That is not that bad. I'm low level, that's why it could not be like 2,000, bro. It could have been. Not bad. Now I don't have a transport anymore. Oh, that sucks. I can just teleport to Colosseum. I got 0 mastery from that, but yes. And the freaking... Is it this Halugia? Is it? I don't know, bro. I got smoke. Oh shit, he got something. Got something on. Oh, he got something on, bro. Alright! Is there any NPCs that I can fight? What? Oh. Ah, damn, he still can. Take that. Smoke fruit is not that bad, I see. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and bye-bye.